Welcome. This video will show you the steps involved in adding testimonials to the web office using the web office admin. The testimonials page allows you to highlight positive reviews or associate success stories that will encourage others. Associates will also be able to view and share the testimonials to public outlets. Let's get started by logging into the web office admin. In order to configure this feature, the user's role needs to have View and Edit enabled for the testimonials page. Clicking the Testimonials tab in the Content Management section will navigate you to the Testimonials page. To add a testimonial, click the Add Testimonial button. This opens the Add Testimonial pop-up. Click the User Type drop-down, and then make a selection for if the testimonial is from a distributor or customer. If distributor is chosen, add the distributor's ID to the field. Then, click the Search button. The system will automatically add the name of the distributor to the name field. If customer is chosen, add the name of the customer to the name field. The required fields to complete in this pop-up are the name, occupation, favorite product tags, testimonial focus tags, and My Story fields. The other sections provide context and allow for deeper customizations to be added for a more personalized experience for your associates. The image drop-down has two options. With the Upload New Image option, press the click to select image area to upload an image from your computer, or drag and drop the image into the area from your computer's Finder dialog box. If your image is hosted in a cloud-based app, or in your own CMS with a public URL, then use the Enter Image URL option. This allows you to type the image URL into the field. Links must begin with the HTTPS format. The image must be a JPEG or PNG file that is at least 200 by 200 pixels and less than 50 megabytes to upload. In the Occupation text field, type the customer's or associate's occupation. In the Favorite Product Tags and Testimonial Focus Tags text fields, type any relevant tags related to a customer's or associate's favorite product and testimonial. In order for these to work, a comma needs to be added between each tag, or you can press Enter. In the My Story text field, powered by the Tiny MCE editor, type the provided testimonial. This editor has many of the text editing tools that you would find in Microsoft Word or Google Docs. Text can be formatted, images and videos can be inserted, and source code can be added. The rest of the settings are Multi-Faceted Configuration, or MFC. These settings allow you to customize this feature in a variety of ways, such as customizing its display based on an associate's country, language, user type, status, and rank. MFC can even customize a time limit of when the feature begins and ends, or have it always display. In the Custom Configurations field, you can configure this feature to display by adding variable strings related to an associate's data. Click the Learn How tab to see a Help Center resource for help on how to write the syntax. Click the Publish toggle now to publish immediately after saving, or you can publish later within the testimonials list. Click the Save button. The testimonial you added appears in the testimonials list, where it can be edited and deleted. The Web Office Testimonials page is unpublished by default, you'll need to publish the link in the Tools folder on the Site Navigation page for it to be accessible in the Web Office navigation. Let's view how associates use testimonials in the Web Office. If you happen to have a Web Office page open for testing at the time that changes were made, and notice that changes haven't occurred immediately, simply refresh the Web Office page. Clicking the Testimonials tab in the Tools section will navigate you to the Testimonials page. Here, associates can see corporate-made testimonials, which they can view by clicking the View button, or share via social media by clicking the Share button. The Copy Link option allows you to paste the direct link to the Share site in any other social app. The Share site allows for the testimonial to be viewed externally, making it a helpful tool for associates to distribute testimonials, and can give customers easy access to an associate's contact information and e-commerce site. You can edit the background image that displays in the branding section of the Web Office admin. The Send to Email option will open your preferred email tool and add the testimonial there to be sent. Finally, the social media links create a new post on the selected social media site, where associates can add an entry to the post. The Send to Team option shares the testimonial through the Web Office's internal messaging feature. Additionally, associates can also submit a testimonial by following instructions shown from the Submit a Testimonial button. You now know how to add testimonials to the Web Office using the Web Office admin, allowing you to highlight positive reviews or associate success stories. For more in-depth videos, tutorials, and how-to guides, visit the Help Center at help.directscale.com. And thanks for watching.